Welcome to Coyote Classics here in Green, Iowa. Today we're going to be checking out and test driving a beautiful, kind of overly restored 1964 Ford Galaxie 500 convertible.
Look at the dash on this, T. So it's a 92,000 mile car, and like you said, they did a beautiful job on the engine compartment, undercarriage. The dash is in excellent shape. All that stainless steel looks great. The interior looks nice.
You know, the AM radio works on it.
The exterior paint's in really nice shape, but here's what I love.
Beautiful under the hood. You can tell when they did the restoration, for one, they started with just a nice original car, as Chad said, it's kind of 90,000 original mile car, and then did a gorgeous job restoring it. So 390 underneath the hood. It does have power steering with the correct, power steering pump from 1964. Inner fenders painted to kind of a high gloss black. The detail on the engine itself, it's got the right manifolds, correct valve covers, air breather.
Looks nice. And this is a factory Z code, so this is a 394 barrel Galaxie, Dalton.
Nice. Bottom side of the hood's beautiful too. Correct matte insulation. A really pretty color too. I love that that light kind of robin egg blue. The correct wire wheels, has the skirts in the back. Wire wheels with white wall tires look great. All the side trim here looks like that was restored. That's in beautiful shape. Door fender gap is excellent. And looking up and down the sides, these are a really long car. And the body lines on this one are excellent. The door fits well with the front of the fender and also the rear quarter. Fender skirts, I like them. You can always take them off if you want to see more of that wheel here in the back. But the fender skirts were restored too, just as nice as the exterior body and paint.
Only a local car show winning car, just a nice car that you can be super proud of. And then the stainless and chrome on a lot of these Galaxies is just, I know it's hard to find. So you got to go with really nice original stuff. They don't repop it as far as your stainless. And this one looks really nice. The grill looks really good. The eyebrows look great. Bumpers look excellent. We got a really nice gap from front to back here. Both sides, the back of the hood lines up beautifully. It's an older repaint, Dalton. I'm guessing probably 5 to 10 years old, but it's still really, really sharp.
Yes, it is. And all the trim around the windshield and where that convertible top will sit was all restored too. That looks excellent.
As you look at the steering wheel and the chrome around that as well, that's in excellent shape.
It's a pretty car.
It is. When we start talking about the interior though, I don't know if it's been redone. If it has, it's been a long time ago, because it still has some patina, at least 20, 30 years on that. Yeah. You know what I mean? It's not brand new by any means.
Yeah.
It could be original. I think it is.
I mean, being the miles on the odometer and the condition of the car, it's possible. You have just a little
kind of stain there
and a little wear here. But
not really anything through, but you can just tell that, it's got a little bit of age to it. Door jamb paint, I think, is original. Yep. I don't think that's ever been touched. I think they just did one nice repaint with the original paint and the jambs.
Yep. And this was the original color, obviously. But I think you're probably right. This rubber here
is original.
Is the original rubber. It's a little stiff, and you can see this is the glue they used from the factory. They brushed it on, and a lot of times they have that little kind of over.
And to me, that's really cool. I mean, if you can see a Survivor with the original interior, original jam paint with a really nice exterior paint, great undercarriage and mechanics are done. I mean, that's kind of what I like myself.
Yeah, undercarriage is beautiful. And make sure you look at those pictures on our site, coyoteclassics.com, and check those out. We're going to put
I can take care of this
convertible top up a little bit. Again, quarters nice and straight. We talked about that. The trunk is awesome too. So original paint in the jams and also in the trunk jam. If you look here at the bottom side of the trunk lid, your sticker, jacking instructions, factory marking, factory sticker here on the trunk lid, which is
hey,
awesome to see.
Hey, we seen that on another car in the door jam, wasn't it? That
69
P.
Mustang, yeah, yep.
Yeah, the yellow one.
Jack and spare all in there properly. Very neat car. Back bumper looks like that was restored,
that's been
refilmed,
re-chromed.
replaced. That looks beautiful.
But a lot of this trim, Dalton, you cannot get it. I mean, this is just beautiful 92,000 original mile.
Yeah, it's in really nice shape and is original.
We have another one, a red one, but there's just differences. You know, that's a nice driver, but this is just the next level.
Yeah.
With original patina is how
Yeah,
we put it. I'm going to put the top up for you.
Trunk fits awesome. These are cool cars. They're just big old boats, but
I always like to turn the car on to get it running, just get all that power for the top.
yeah.
It looks like they put all new boots and everything on that.
Yeah, top looks restored.
Yeah, it looks super,
hey, thank you so
nice.
much. Have a safe trip.
Call us if you need anything. I will.
Top was restored too. The top's in great shape. Canvas all looks new. Glass back window.
Nice. I'm gonna go a little more now.
And even just at an idle in here, that 390 runs really nice and smooth.
Really easy to do this by yourself, Dalt.
Good.
Look at this. Worked really well. Once I knew what I was doing.
Yeah.
Everyone's so different. And look at this. It's even got the visor clip still in it. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah, it is. Quite nice.
All right, let's roll it up. I think you got original felts, original cord around here and the door jamb as well. Window goes up nice. Seals good here on my side. All the way across the top. For a convertible, seals beautiful on my side.
Mine does as well.
Okay, with these Fords, we always want to go ahead and put it down in the green drive when we take off.
Lectured the rest of the country about following
Design
the
ready works,
science
that's cool.
during
It tells a
COVID,
lot about
as
it,
they shut
right?
down nearly the entire state.
Heater fan works, horn works.
And on the dash, so this is, looking at this inside the glove box, that's all original paint on the glove box door. The light works, and I don't see, it's hard to say if they repainted the outside of the dash
I don't
or
think
not.
so.
It looks
Look,
to be
no,
original
it's
too.
original. See it? See the ashtray?
Yeah,
Still original.
that's pretty cool. So, tells you a little bit about
the
the
steering
miles
wheel is in great shape. It's got like a little hairline crack here, very, very small, so it is the original. And like I said, just the chrome and the stainless. It's in fantastic shape. Gas gauge works, it's at full. So that's another thing at Coyote Classics. We go through all the brakes, we go through, make sure the gas gauge works, horn works, all that stuff that we show you here does. So wipers work. We also have a couple other little parts for this that we ordered, Dalton. New power steering, kind of ram, and then there was one other tie rod end or something. It was just a little weaker than the rest, so we ordered both of those parts.
So those will be installed before
they'll
the car
be
goes
installed
out.
at our price.
Ford glass still in it too.
Our brakes work excellent. Customer just bought the little 71 Nova and he's heading out for a long trip back to Minnesota. So the speedometer does bounce a little bit, Dalton, when we're first taking off, but as we get going, it levels out just fine.
Yeah, and then it's smooth. Yeah.
Here's your brakes. Brake stop, excellent. And this goes down the road really nice. It's just, there was just a little bit of, not play in the wheel, but just a little vibration, and what that was coming from was that. Yeah,
Heater
all
fan
that
works
stuff.
too.
Yeah, that all works. What that was coming from is just that slave cylinder,
Oh,
or that, you know what I mean, that little ram. So we got that, like I said, coming brand new. Kickdown works great. I don't know about you, but I don't hear any wind noise on my side.
No, and it's a windy day, and we're in a convertible too, but it seals up awesome.
Speedometer works, 60 mile an hour going right down the road. Tires and wheels are all balanced as well. So you can just see this little bit here. That's, like I said, that's because that has just too much play in it.
And we have the part ordered, but the car was ready to, cleaned and ready to go.
We're gonna go ahead and do our high-speed braking quick. We'll go through the gears and the tranny. High-speed braking, again, the guys went through all the brakes. Stops perfectly straight, great pedal. Now, no power brakes, but not necessary. Look at this. Can you get the pedal once?
Yeah.
Look how nice that is. Way up top, not hard at all to push. exhaust sounds great. It's nice and quiet there. Gonna start in low and just kind of go through the gears in the tranny. First,
Nice
second,
shift to second.
yeah. Downshift to first, back up to second. There you go.
Nice.
Goes down the road awesome.
Great car. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.